Oh, are we doing freckles?
Yeah.
Over there? Yeah.
So
Yeah.
cute. How do you say sausage in Japanese? Here we go.
All right. You know what they say, ladies. Get ready for where you want to be.
So let's get ready. Where do we want to go?
I am manifesting.
I want to be on an island all bronzed up.
I want to fall in love in Pelly. How are your gals' destinations going to inspire your makeup look? Like, Natasha, what's it giving? Is it giving like colorful?
Okay, Japan to me, I'm so inspired by, yes, how colorful it is and like the nature of it and the greenery. But then also I think of like the lights in Tokyo. So I definitely want to do something super, super electric. What about you?
I'm going for a glowy look. So I actually just started off with the Say Glowy Super Gel just to give myself kind of like that.
You love that one. It looks so good on you.
Thank you. I love it so much.
So I'm gonna go more for kind of like cleaner, subtle, but maybe like a nice little
bold lip?
red lip.
Ooh,
Yeah.
bold lip. And it has to be transfer proof because you're gonna fall in love and you're gonna smooch somebody.
Bisou. Bisou.
You guys, I dream of eating sushi in Japan.
So on your destination vacations, what are your plans? Well, besides eating sushi.
Okay, whenever I go to a new city, I make it a point after I've like settled into like the hotel, I have to go explore the city on foot. What about you?
For mine, I'm definitely planning to get a lot of sun. I want to be laying on the beach.
I feel like you might want to consider packing like a tan foundation. I don't know, we can all relate to this. Like when you go, if I went right now on vacation and I went somewhere super tropical, my foundation wouldn't match.
That's very true.
So you gotta think about that.
I'll pack two.
I want to see what Paris shopping is all about. The designer labels, honey.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I have to wear compression socks on the airplane because my feet swell up like little baby salchichas. How do you say sausage in Japanese?
Anyway, you are a carry-on girly. How, like,
Yes,
I don't know how you do
tell
it
us
because
how
I
you
have
do
so many.
that.
I pack my tools, I pack my shoes.
I'm an
There's just no
overpacker.
way.
I do not believe in overpacking, and as you can see with my makeup, like everything is like precise in here, okay? And I'm so realistic with what I'm actually gonna use because I feel like I can wear like super basic outfits and then just like zhuzh it up with the makeup. For example, I'm gonna wear like a green shadow right now, but if I was wearing this look again a separate time, I would do like a clean makeup and a red lip and then like a looser hair, and then it feels like a new outfit. Makeup is so much more less to pack than clothes.
I love
you
that.
know?
Yeah.
That's my tip. What was your crazy story?
I don't have a crazy story
I
yet.
don't know if I believe that.
I don't.
My best friend was throwing one of her birthdays in Vegas. I kid you not.
Oh,
I
no.
went to Vegas on Friday morning. We did the thing.
Mm-hmm.
I took the cheapest flight back home just to go do my shift.
Stop.
At Urban Decay. I could say that, right? Because
Yeah, I'm literally using the eyeliner.
Yeah, perfect. I did my shift at Urban Decay. And then right after, got back in the car back to the
airport?
back to Vegas to
I
go.
love that.
What's like one of the best places you've traveled to, your favorite? Because I feel like you're all well-traveled ladies.
I still have yet to experience my biggest travels.
My favorite place I traveled though, my family and I did an African safari. I've never experienced nature like that.
Did you encounter any animals?
I saw the big five.
But did they like go near you?
In the camping area, there's literally security. His name was Simba, and he was amazing. And every morning he'd be like, "Hello, Natasha. There was a hippo like really close to your tent, or there was a pumba." And also, pumba means stupid or dumb.
And now it all just makes sense.
And that's how I was like, "Wow, my sister literally calls me pumba all the time." I'm talking to you, Lexi.
rude.
What's your favorite food that you've ever experienced on a trip?
There's not really like a specific meal that I had, but when I do travel, I love to find the best restaurants and
You
just
do.
You eat, girl.
That
You
is
eat
your-
good. You eat good, girl.
I am a foodie.
That's your
Yeah, like I could go out to eat with you. You want something that's life-changing.
Yeah. So just gonna expose myself, but I know that I'm going on this island destination vacation. But fun fact about me is I can't swim. I can't.
Oh my
I
gosh.
went
can't.
snorkeling in Hawaii literally 2 weeks ago, and I wanted to look all cute with my snorkel gear, but I had to have a floaty.
Sweet angel Sam. Oops, I put the wrong lash on the wrong eye. I hate when I do that. Like, this one's clearly for...
Are you gonna leave it?
Maybe that's just the looks, though.
I don't know.
Maybe
Okay,
that's
you know
the...
what?
Visibly.
See,
I
to
took it off
see
already.
how it turns out.
I'm literally done.
Oh. Okay.
We just did
Well.
a simple glowy look, but I will
do you
do
have
my
a
spray.
fragrance that you take with you?
My fragrance is Glossier You.
I knew
I
it.
love it.
I knew
it's,
it.
It's just a good everyday
It is
staple.
you.
Carla, I love that red lip.
Thank you,
Oh my
boo-boo.
gosh. What inspired you to get that look?
I don't know. When I think of Pelly, I think of like romance. So you think of roses and reds and,
Love it.
you know, but a little bit of chicness, a little bit of
It's a statement.
girly. Yeah.
So besides the looks that you're doing, what kind of makeup do we like to pack on vacation?
A palette, like a neutral palette, and then my foundation and concealers and lashes.
I love sticks. I love
that.
various sticks. And then I like a, you know, a little shimmery. Anything like neutrals, I'll just use like something like this that is multi-purpose and amazing because it could be my bronzer, it could be my contour, it could be my eyeshadow.
You don't need to overpack.
You don't need
Yeah,
to
you really don't.
overpack, but you need a red lip, you need a neutral lip, you need a gloss, you need a lip balm. Also, fragrances. Whenever I go on vacation, I like to pack a really intentional fragrance. So like every time I'm spraying it on vacation, I remember that I'm on this trip, and then like when I'm back home and I like
Smell
spray
it.
something, I'm like, oh, this
It
reminds me of
transports
when
you
I
back.
went. Yeah, exactly. It takes you
that's
back.
so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, are we doing freckles?
Yeah.
Over there? Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah.
Because Japan's so cutesy too.
Okay, Natasha.
Japan's waiting.
Sorry.
Wow, we look so cute. Okay, let's do a spritz. Okay.
What's everyone's setting spray?
Mine is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray.
Mine is the one size
size.
until it's on, because if it's good enough for the queen, it's good enough for me. And y'all know who the queen is.
I'm pretty, you know, standard. Urban
Yeah.
Decay.
Oh my God,
All-nighter.
and that is
Night
the-
and
that
day,
is
a
the-
staple.
The OG.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I am loving our look. So come in.
Yes.
Let's go show the cam.
Oh, it's cute, girls.
I think we nailed it.